Yo, what's up everyone, it's your dude Anime Kage and welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about the Boruto manga. It's another prediction video for Boruto manga. And today we're going to be talking about Naruto possessing the Rinnegan. Okay, now many of you should be thinking that how Naruto could ever possess the Rinnegan. Anime Kage, you are insane. How could Naruto ever possess the Rinnegan? You are just making prediction without any sense. But bros, believe me, I am not making this prediction without any proof. If my last prediction came true, then there is a huge amount of chances that this might came true. Or there is another one, I'll upload that soon. So if you want to see that too, then make sure to subscribe this channel and make sure to click the bell icon so that you guys can watch the new predictions. Okay, no more talk about that, let's get back to our today's topic. Okay, first let me tell you guys how I got this idea. I was just doing nothing and watching anime, and that time I recall a really great thing. I recall one of the themes of Boruto, and if you guys remember, Naruto Shippuden was all about Tail Beast, but the fans liked the visual powers more than the Tail Beast, including me obviously. So for that reason, the writers decided that Boruto anime's one of the main theme will be Dojutsu, or visual powers. And for that reason, the protagonist Boruto have the greatest visual powers of all time, the Jogan. And if you guys read the manga properly, you should also know that Ishiki Otsutsuki's secret ninjutsu, which is Shokan no Hokuna, is a dojutsu, not a ninjutsu. So here I think that Naruto should also possess the Rinnegan, cause Sasuke have to die before or after so that Boruto can understand the sad reality of the world. And when Sasuke dies, there will be no Rinnegan users, so Sasuke will give his Rinnegan to Naruto. And there is also a chance that when Sarada will witness the death of Sasuke, she will awaken the Mangekyo Sharingan. We will talk about that in some other video, not in this one. So see, if Naruto, Sarada, Boruto and Ishiki is also there, all of them possess strong, great visual powers, then it is definitely going to fulfill fans' demand. Okay, no more talk about that, let's get back to our video. As I said earlier, if the last prediction came true, there is a huge amount of chances that this might came true too. So let me tell you guys what I tell in the last video in a very short time. And I will also give the link in the description so that you can watch that too. So in the last video I just tell that Boruto will be killing Sasuke. Boruto will lose control over himself and he will end up being giving his body to Momochiki. And after that Momochiki and Ishiki will going to have a fight, and Ishiki will defeat Momochiki and he will open a portal to Hidden Leaf and he will went to Hidden Leaf. And after that Momochiki will also try to go to Hidden Leaf, and that time Sasuke will try to stop him, cause if Ishiki and Momochiki fought there, Hidden Leaf will be completely destroyed. And that's why Sasuke will try to stop Momochiki, and for stopping Momochiki, Sasuke will have to fight him. Then during their battle, Sasuke might use a new Rinnegan ability, or he knew it before but he don't want to use it cause that was so dangerous that Sasuke was feared to use that destructive power. But that time he will use that for stopping Momochiki, which will cost him his life. He will be really close to death until this I told in the last video. So let's start from there now. As Sasuke will stop, he will fall, and Boruto will also fall cause his body was the one to face that destructive visual powers. Boruto will be unconscious but Sasuke was not. So as I told in the last video, Naruto gives his chakra to Sasuke so that he can fight properly. But Naruto was not unconscious. He will come to Sasuke and will try to help him, but he won't be able to do so. After that, Naruto and Sasuke is going to have a sad conversation. Like Sasuke will be like, Naruto, I was not able to do anything. Then Naruto will be like, no Sasuke, you have done much for the village, you don't need to do more. Some conversation like that, and during that time Boruto will heal himself and he will be conscious too. Here some of you guys might wonder that how come Boruto heals so fast. For them, healing is one of the ability of Karma Seal, and Boruto possesses the Karma Seal, so he should heal fast. And if you guys want to know all the powers of Karma Seal, I will give the link in the description. Okay, coming to the point. As Boruto will gain consciousness, he will see Sasuke is nearly killed by someone. He should be amazed cause Boruto don't know what he was doing. And afterwards there is going to be a really heart touching scene where Boruto will be crying and ask Naruto that who did it to Sasuke. And then Naruto will answer, it was you Boruto. So in this way there is going to be a really heart touching scene. And as I said earlier, Sasuke will lost hope that he might be alive anymore. So Sasuke will give Naruto his eye. Because Sasuke's all the powers lies in his eye. In other words, Sasuke is giving his all the powers to Naruto. And the answer from Naruto is quite obvious. Naruto will obviously say no. But that time Sasuke will also say that you see Naruto how strong Ishiki and Momoshiki are. If you ought to stop them, you have to become more powerful. And after that somehow, I don't know how, but somehow Sasuke will be able to convince Naruto and he will give his both eye, Sharingan and Rinnegan to Naruto. And after giving both eye to Naruto, Sasuke will be dead. And this scene is going to be a really heart touching scene. And this one is also going to be matching with Itachi's one. Sasuke will be doing as just the same job as Itachi. Itachi gave Naruto Shizue Uchiha's Sharingan, and here Sasuke is giving Naruto his own Sharingan and Rinnegan. And now some of you should be thinking on how Naruto will possess both at Rinnegan. For them, Naruto was the reincarnate of Ashura and Sasuke was the reincarnate of Indra. So when both Indra and Ashura's chakra mixed up, Haguro Motsuzuki's chakra is produced, and when Haguro Motsuzuki's chakra is produced, Naruto's that Sharingan will turn into Rinnegan. And after that Sasuke will die and Boruto will understand the pain, the sad reality of the world. And after some time, when Boruto will have enough chakra to use transformation jutsu again, he will reach that, and when both Boruto and Naruto will reach to the hidden leaf with Sasuke's dead body, Naruto will find that the village is destroyed by Ishiki. Too many shinobis are dead because of Ishiki, and Ishiki has found Kawaki and gave his karma to Kawaki again. And that time Naruto's heart will be completely broken because he was not able to save the village, he was not able to save Sasuke. So that's why his heart will be completely broken. And when Sarada and Sakura will find that Sasuke is dead, there is again going to be a heart-touching scene. Okay, then this video is over here. And yeah, both the next video, the next prediction video and this one is going to have the same conclusion. The only difference is that in that one Sasuke will be alive and Naruto won't possess the Rinnegan. Of course Sasuke is alive, so why should he possess the Rinnegan? But the fact that Ishiki found Kawaki and he gave his karma to Kawaki and the village is destroyed, that will be the same. And if you guys want to know how, just wait for 3 days. After I made that one, I will upload that as soon as possible. So until that time, goodbye.